Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, Simply Mama Cooks. I'm Angelica. So I'm going to show you a quick and easy $1 million dip my way. I like to substitute the slivered almonds with sweet and spicy pecans. You don't have to do that, but it's really good in this dip. Let me show you how I make it. Okay, so $1 million dip my way. I'm going to start with half a cup of mayonnaise, half a cup of sour cream, a quarter cup of chopped bacon pieces, 1 cup of mild cheddar cheese, 3 to 4 scallions chopped, and here I have around a quarter cup of sweet and spicy chopped pecans. You could sub that with slivered almonds. It all works. Okay, so let's mix this together. Just add all of your ingredients into the bowl. You could serve this with chips. I like to go with the usual Ritz crackers. It normally goes with this. Here we go with the sour cream. And the mayonnaise. Okay, now I'm going to give it a mix. You could add a little bit of cracked black pepper, add seasonings and spices that you prefer, but because the pecans come with that sweet, salty, spicy seasoning, I'm not adding anything else to this. And you can sort of adjust the ratios if you want more bacon in this, if you want more cheese, if you want to use maybe softened cream cheese. There's a lot of things you can do to switch it up. Okay, this is done. Okay, so here's the dip. I put it in a bowl, and feel free to like double, triple, quadruple this recipe if you're serving it to a larger crowd. This was just to show you a quick recipe. You can garnish with extra cheese, some of the scallions that are falling everywhere. There we go. And now you dig in. And you can make this well ahead if you're serving this for like a party. So here we are, $1 million dip. Super good.
I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.